Hi guys, welcome to GlitchGuru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting errors while sending messages from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So the first thing you need to do is ensure your phone is receiving mobile network signal. If you are in a region where signal is not available, you'll need to move someplace else where the signal is available and strong. So make sure you do that and also try restarting your phone first. If that doesn't work, however, your next option is to locate the Messages app on your phone. Once you have located the app, long press on it and then tap this info icon. Now in this menu, scroll down and tap on storage. Here tap the clear cache option. Finally tap on clear data and hit delete to confirm. This should delete any problematic app files that may be causing the problem. This won't delete your messages, so you don't need to worry about that. If this does not work, your next option is to open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. In this menu, tap this three-dot menu in the top right corner. Now select Special Access. Here you will see this Use Premium Text Message option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now I don't see my Messages app here, but if you do see yours, make sure it is set to always allow. This should solve your problem in most cases, but if that doesn't help, your last option is to go to General Management. Now scroll down and tap the Reset option. In this menu, scroll down again and tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Here tap the Reset Settings button and then restart your phone. Once you do this, you should be able to send messages without any problems. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.